Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel 123. So this is the last day for our consideration space week. We started previous Sunday and throughout this week we discussed about the several various space topics. But the space is an infinitive. If we are going to discuss about the space as a whole year, it will not complete. If a person asks you what is the end of the numbers in max, the answer will be, I know the answer will be infinitive, or you will be saying they have no end, it is continuous. So as compared to space, it is also a infinitive or continuity. It have a various parts, subparts, stars, moons, satellites, natural satellite, artificial satellite, black hole, white hole theory. A lot of theory will be coming forward in your eyes when we are going to discuss about the space. Not only theory, various stars, planets, and most probably we'll be searching life is exist on other planets or not. In the previous video I discussed about the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. So if you didn't watch that video, don't worry, I will be providing the link in the description box, so you can watch that video. Afterwards you can watch this video. Till the end of that previous video, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, I discussed about, we'll be discussing tomorrow as a special topic. I gave a hint, it's our motherland. So motherland, if any person or any questions arise in front of you, what is your motherland? Most probably your answer will be in your locality place or some other relatively locality place or your native place in our earth only. The answer is right. If a question arises like that, what is the motherland of human community? Not only human community, if the question arises, what is the motherland of human community, we will be little bit confused. What is the motherland of human community? So most probably, if a case the Spain people are there, they will be telling our motherland, our human community motherland is Spain. If suppose India, it's our Indian nation is that community, our motherland. Suppose you are in the Australia, you will be definitely saying the kangaroo, it's our motherland, the Australia. Sometimes you are living in the Germany, you will be telling that my motherland is Germany. Or sometime you are living in that African region, you will be saying it's my own country, Africa. So you will be telling like that. But as total, if we consider our motherland is our earth. So we studied in the KG section or kindergarten section, or you don't studied in that section, you will be studying in 6th or 7th. That is our earth have vital resources, that is various types of resources. So in this video we will be going to discuss about our own motherland, human community motherland, not only human community, the whole life community motherland, that is the earth. We know about earth, it's covered with oxygen, plants, animals, life existence, atmosphere, gravity. A lot of things will be coming forward in front of you. Sometime we discussed about earth, the only main thing in front of your eyes is blue planet. Whatever it may be, the land is covered as 29% only, but remaining 71% is filled with the water only. So if you are in the earth, we are looking, we'll be saying it is an planet, or if it is a planet which exists of all required materials. But in the outside the earth, you will be noticing that atmosphere, green things are there, but you will be noticing it is a blue planet. It will be seeing as a blue dot, because this whole earth is 71% of water. But in the olden days, that is in the ice age and all etc., 70% only water and 30% is land, but 1% is reduced now, because the reason is our what, our greediness. Yeah, it will be the reason, because If we are greedy, we'll be, if in imagine a case, if you are a greedy, if you are a person, so you get some amount of profit, not only money, in the base of money, on the basis of money, in some other things, if you get a profit and you will be bargaining again to another profit, we will not never satisfied. So as per our greediness, we are going continuously use of many resources, and the due to that resources, global warming is producing. Because of that global warming, polar ice caps are melting. Due to that reason, our land area is going down by down. So imagine, stop that things and all greediness. The resources, the planet have a vital resources, so use the resources as an appropriate way, not in that unappropriate way. You can use the resources, but minimize the use. You can use the resources as you are, according to your status. Not only status means what? Human community. I mentioned rich or poor, not human community. As you are a human, you can use the vital resources as per according to human use only, not in such an wild animal use. So we automatically, our mind will be thinking, if you get one profit, we'll be bargaining another profit. Stop that thing first, so you will be in the right way. Or sometime you stop that greediness, you will be model of other eyes. Other eyes means other human beings who are greedy. So stop the greedy thing. So again, come to the topic, earth. So earth have a lot of vital resources. If we have a beautiful natural satellite, that is the moon, is revolving our earth. Now it is will be, if a question asked, how many hours per day, will be actually, will be not actually, will be saying, not in the case of scientists. If a general people, for common people, if you are a common people, a question arises in front of you, how many hours did we have in the one day, one per day? Actually, not actually, the right answer will be 24. But according to the scientist, not 24 hours, it is 23 hours 56 minutes only. That's all. The 4 minutes are extra, we calculated. For that calculation, 4 minutes, we'll be celebrating one day as a leap year. That is the case of February. The leap year, will be celebrating that a leap year. So it takes approximate 23 hours 56 minutes only, not 24 hours. If a general question asked, you can say the answer as 24, but scientifically question asked, you must answer 23 and 56 minutes. That is the right answer. But you are a general, you can answer like that 24 hours, it's no problem. So the scientists are predicting, after thousands of years after from now, the earth will be much slower than our present time. So it will take 25 hours to rotate itself, and revolute, it will take more time, more days. Like at present 365 or 366 leap year, it will take more time to revolute, that is 370, maybe 370 or 390, due to that reasons, human reasons. If you question another case, okay, before that case we'll be discussing one more thing. We know about that gravity of our earth. Due to that gravity, we are standing as a normal. We can drive a mode of vehicle, or we can fly over that under the atmosphere. A lot of sources are there, modes of transport, because of this gravitation force only. Due to that gravitation pull, we can walk. Without gravitation pull, we can't walk. We want to fly, we'll be flying as like a birds. Okay, so earth have a strong gravitation pull towards its center. Its core made up of the temperature as the surface temperature of sun, that much heat. Because of that heat only, the earth have 4 types of climates. In some area there will be 4 types of, there must be 4 types of climate, but in some areas the 4 climate or the 2 climate will be same. Right, rainy season will be the till to that winter season. Some variations may be there or may not, but will be no 4 reasons are there. So after we'll be going to discuss about the crust. What is a crust? It's a ground. So ground means the only planet, not only planet, the ground which is satisfy a life is only in the earth only, not in the other planets of our solar family. And also we'll be discussing about the name of our earth. Name of our earth. So non earth, sorry, name of our motherland, that is earth. You know about that when we discovered a planet, we'll be placing the name of Roman or Greek mythology according to those mythology, but the earth has not in that such a way. If we combine Roman, Greek, English, a lot of languages or lot of mythology together, the earth name will be giving. Earth name we can find in Egyptian languages also. Some earth is touching in that word called earth only, not earth, it's an eartherer is there in the eartherer, that is in the case of Egypt. So we don't know about that who named as its earth, but we are still pronouncing it as earth. Some of the changes will never end, some of the changes will be ending quick. There is a quick change and a permanent change. Okay, so earth we don't know about that, but earther have the meaning that is the ground, but earth have not we can say appropriate meaning as ground, not correct meaning. Okay, not a correct meaning, we can say like that. So next, if a question asked arrives in front of you, which is the most precious thing in the world, it's available in the world, automatically you will be telling like human, not a human being, sorry, you will be telling platinum, platinum, gold, no, no, diamond. Automatically will be changing according to some people, not diamond, it will be in that form of platinum. No, you will be changing continuously, you will be changing, you will be telling some of the people are diamond, some of the people gold, some of the people choose platinum. A lot of resources are they will be choosing, like say as telling no, but actual precious thing is the life. As per our tree is considered as plants, we'll be looking all around in the waste areas or in the garden, we'll be seeing the plants. So we don't much connection with the plants and all, so we don't know about much about plants. We know, but we are not such avoiding that those plants, because we are not protecting, because in our eyes, in front of our eyes, the plants are surrounded all over. So what is the reason for protecting those? If you are in the space, consider if you are in the space, you will be getting like such an loneliness, because in our space no such planet have contained earth or greenery. So automatically your mind will be thinking earth have a vital resource of trees. So that is the precious things. Earth have a microorganism, not a big human being, a big elephant, in that ice age, the dinosaurs, a lot of huge animal to still small microbes also there. It is because of the life containing in our earth. So the trees are very important. We are just for our sake of purpose, we will be cutting the tree and placing some other wanted thing for us. We will be planting, or we will be constructing a house or some other shops and all. But look, if you cut the tree, we heard that and all, if you cut the tree you have to plant 7 trees or 8 trees or 10 according to according to your sake of knowledge. But the actual is that if you cut the tree, the tree's life will be becoming over. So in your seek of eyes, you will be looking that one tree is, what is the reason, one tree, that's all. It is not much important. But if you are in the case of space, you will be not ready to cut a single tree, because in that space no such planet have trees. But if a diamond is you buy a diamond, if in the case you buy a diamond and you are keeping as close as compared to your heart, that much close, if you lost that diamond, you will be automatically crying, your mind will be in a sad manner, you will be complaining the police or some other, you will be complaining, or you will be CBI or some investigators. You will be a detective like that and all. So when we cut the tree, we will not caring. One tree is nothing. But as the case, diamond or precious thing, we will be looking all over the surroundings. But imagine the case, some planets have its core as full of diamond, full of gold, full of platina, diamond showers in Neptune, Uranus. But no such planet have contained life. Imagine that. No such planets are there. But such planets like diamond showers, platinum showers, gold, some of the coal, a lot of things are there. But as together, no such planet has there with life. Imagine that. No life existent in other planets. As still our technology has growing nowadays very fast and rapid change in integration in the technology, but we didn't found a single planet with a life. Our predictions UFO, if a question asked in front of you, the UFO or the aliens are sure aliens, you saw an alien or not, your answer will be no. Sometimes yes, I saw, but they have no proof with you. So we can't predict aliens are there or not. Also we can't say we are alone in the universe or not. So it's a confusing and miracling question. So please protect the life. Please don't cut the trees. Stop your greediness. The life exists only in our earth only, not in that any planets. So if you are wasting simply many resources, it is will be the dangerous to our earth. No such planets, even binary system or multiple system or a single system stars, no such planet have like that life resources. But our earth only have such type of valuable thing. So please try to avoid the cutting of trees. Not only cutting of trees, don't hate others. Some of the people for their sake they will be hating other people and they will be conquering the other people. Don't do like that and all. Why are you doing? It's for simply for our life, right? So for our life a lot of ways are there. You can conquer. You will be the role model of others, like Nelson Mandela, Gandhi ji, and a lot of persons are there. Otto von Bismarck, a lot of persons are there. Giuseppe Garibaldi, Giuseppe Mazzini, a lot of persons are there. They are the role model. Okay, they are the role model. Albert Einstein, a lot of persons are there. They avoid the greediness, so they made such a model. If you are rich, you are for your thinking, if I am rich I will be the top of our earth, but it's not in the case. Albert Einstein and all not in the case of rich, but it have the name. Still we are remembering the Albert Einstein's theory. A lot of things are there. So don't misuse your power. Don't misuse others' powers. Sometimes you will be misuse your own humanity. You will be stolen your humanity and you will be acting like a wild animal. Don't do such things and all. So you can protect. If in the case you can't do anything for our protection of earth, don't worry. Stop the use of greediness. That's the only thing it will be protecting our earth. So imagine that our future generation should still alive in our future. So think that generation, your son should alive in the earth for future. Remember that one. So don't, we can now onwards in that second onwards we can make a promise. I will not cut trees. Not only cut trees, I will stop my greediness and I will be self-respect. I will not misuse any other power. Take a decision and right way. You can follow a right way. There are lot of ways in front of you for your talent, but you are not seeing that. For our eyesight, what is, if you think a small thing is considered as a big thing, in front of our eyes, but a big thing considered as a small thing as in front of our eyes. Like a diamond is a small thing, for our eyes it's valuable, but in the case a tree is a big one, but in the eyes we are simply cutting. So remember that. So all the things which we are seeing through eyes, it will not be true. Okay, learn that. So we can protect our earth from future. The earth has gone 5 extension, now it is 6th extension we are facing. If we are facing a 6th extension or not, so you will be automatically, a question will be arising, how it will be possible? Only 2 world war is there, so okay, if you are considering 2 world war and an asteroid which destroyed the life of dinosaurs, so it will be 3rd. How it will be the 5 extension, other 2 where it is come? Not on the world war. In the case, the 5 extensions are destroy the earth, not completely, in a bad manner, that is an asteroid. These 5 are natural extension, but the 6th extension, the scientists are predicting the 6th extension will be ours, in our hands only. So try to take in the right path and choose the right thing. Okay, so this is about our earth. So earth have a vital resources. Some of the things are there hidden behind our earth. If in the case we are going to moon and we are searching a lot of things in that outer space, interstellar space, a deep web in the space, but we are not searching a single thing in the sea. Only 5% only we know about from the seas, the creatures or some waters, but remaining 95% we don't know about from the sea. So try to save our earth. Okay, so this is about this video. This is the end of this our space week. In this space week we are discussed so many topics, so try to understand earth only the best. Your first impression will be the best impression. Okay, so try to use maximum time in a right way, right thinking, right manner. So this is about this video. I will be seeing in another video soon. Okay, this is the end of the space week. In this channel, please subscribe my channel to get more informative videos. Okay, not if I celebrated the first week as space week, now the second week will be like that, 1 week a single topic. So don't miss any videos. I'll be putting several videos in this channel, so please subscribe my channel to get more videos, important videos. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and you can you have any suggestions, you can leave in the comment. The comments are free for you. And the important thing, most of the people don't know about these vital sources of our earth. Please share to them, they will be know about some kind of resources. Okay, so I want to say one more thing, that we'll be in this channel, I will be putting the detailed video about that resources in our earth. Okay, this vital resources, what are the resources, and I will be putting a detailed video. And at first, in the introduction video, I told about I will be providing tricks or magics, or what is the idea behind the 1 2 3. So it will be 1 2 3, it's crazy, but I will be putting that magics and all there, tricks also there. So please subscribe my channel to get more videos. I will be seeing with or meeting with you soon. Okay, thank you.